Hey, what is up YouTube? Today we're gonna find out what is the most popular Apple iPhone of all time. So let's go ahead and use Google Trends. So let's type in the iPhone 2G compared with the iPhone 3G. An iPhone 3GS. The iPhone 4. Finally, the iPhone 4S. Alright, as you can see already, the iPhone 4 is pretty insane. The most popular iPhone, at least up to the 4S. Alright, very interesting. We can go ahead and remove these and put in newer iPhones. Alright, we got the iPhone 5. We got the 5S. 5S. Finally, we got the 5C. And then we got the iPhone 6. Wow. As you can see here, the iPhone 5 weren't that popular at all. And then the iPhone 6 instantly boosted Apple's reputation. Oh, I've been doing this wrong. Crap. We need to do 2004 to present, 2007 to 2020. Alright, that's better. Now we need to do worldwide. Alright, now we need to redo all this again. My bad boys, my bad boys. This is gonna be the first episode. So we're also gonna be doing this sort of video for other trends such as Galaxy devices or Google Pixel devices. Alright. Breakout. Interesting. Everyone's quarantining, I guess. Alright, iPhone 2G. iPhone 3G. iPhone 4G. Not 4G. 3GS. Now iPhone 4. iPhone 4S. Alright, this is actually pretty close. Oh, the iPhone 4 and 4S is tied as being the most popular iPhone, at least up to the 4S. So let's take out all the others. They are irrelevant. Irrelevant. Hehehe.
Target neutralized.
Oh wait, I need to take this out. Now let's add the iPhone 5. Ooh. 5C. And iPhone 5S. Alright, the 5S definitely is not as popular. Geez, though, the iPhone 5 hit it big when it came out. Interesting. So, we can go ahead and demote the iPhone 4 and 4S. And leave the iPhone 5 as king. Will it stand a chance against the iPhone 6? Let's find out. iPhone 6. Ooh, yes it does actually. It beats out the iPhone 6. The iPhone 5 is more popular, believe it or not. Let's do iPhone 6S. yes, 6S definitely not popular, but that makes a lot of sense because it's basically a rebrand of the iPhone 6. iPhone 7. No, oh, hacker. Oh, let's try that again. Nope. iPhone 5 is still king. What about the iPhone 8? Can it make a comeback? Nope. Ever since the iPhone 5 came out, Apple has been declining. Okay. Let's go ahead and demote. 6S, 7, iPhone 8. What about... Okay, can it stand a chance against the iPhone X? Its price considerably higher than the iPhone 5. Nope, not even close. What a launch the iPhone 5 was. I don't have to find FBI, open up! Please. Okay, iPhone XS. It's actually just called XS. Yep. Apple has been getting less and less popular. Oh, that's interesting. There's actually 1% of interest in 2012. Was someone working in the future? Time traveling? Interesting. Finally, we got the iPhone 11. Yep. Doesn't stand a chance against the iPhone 5. And we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. The iPhone 5. What a phone this was, honestly. The design, in my opinion, at the time was very good. They finally extended the screen. They finally brought Touch ID. And of course, they have a lightning jack, or a headphone jack. And the iPhone 12 better come with a better design. Like this. The boxy design was great. Also, I have one little theory of why the iPhone 5 is much more popular than the iPhone 11 today. First off, market saturation, which means more and more people have iPhones, so they don't want to buy another one until they need to. Until they pretty much are forced to get a new one, which Apple's trying to force them by slowing down their phones and such. But let's go ahead and type in iPhone 5 price. Let me guess, it's like $400 or $500. Oh my gosh. $200? $300 or 32 and $400, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are insane prices. Ridiculously cheap. Nowadays, that's like low-end mid-ranges. That is absolutely incredible. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, Apple has been getting less and less and less success. The price is way too high. I hope Apple learns their lesson, and yeah, now you guys know the iPhone 5 is the most popular iPhone of all time. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe for more Google Trend videos. That's it, and peace out.